started. Great. So there's the box. The thing is sideways. I'm showing the Facebook people all the issues I'm going through here. That's the box to open and unbox. But first, let me show you this over here. Okay. So for the third time now, in the space of a few minutes. Great. There we go. Today is the 22nd of July, 2026. Alright, and that's the date and time. Now here's the thing I'm hoping to unbox. A little bit dirty. It's a Victor RC-550. You can tell because it's got the speed control for the cassette deck right there. No, that's not shortwave. There's no shortwave, so that's... Anyway, speed control. Alright, so... Once again, just run around the room. Okay, we got stuff in here. Alright, that's done. Great. So now that we're recording, because we did this already several times. There's Facebook people. It expires in 30 days. Okay. Here's the box it came in. Alright. For the third or fourth time now. Let's put this on the tripod. Okay. So here we go. Great. So now there's the box. You can see it. Flip this around so I can see me. There we go. Alright. So now finally got that going on. Can I see myself in the thing? Did I move this? Here. That's close enough. Alright, so now good cassette tape. Let's see, I need a way to test the power of the cord I'm going to plug in. So here, let's just grab something. What is this? This is a Sharp GF206, which that works. See, does the cassette player work? I don't even remember. Well, no. Is this the one that? Oh, there it goes. The door. Well, okay. So that does work. I'm not going to mess with this right now. All right. So there it is. That's good power. Okay. That down over there. So now, the box. It's a big box because it's a big radio. Right, so, okay, yeah, it's a big box. Okay, so now it's too big to shake for those of you that want to see me shake it, but it's very well packaged, I'm pretty sure, because it's in such a huge box. All right. So then, well. Oh. Alright, so, okay. I just have to get around to this side here, all the tape. Okay, so it's 90 degrees in the shade, which is why you see me in a t-shirt. Those that are interested, what I'm wearing. Just a t-shirt. Alright, so we can get rid of this before you stab yourself with it. So, okay. Oh my gosh. Alright. I can't. There's too many tabs. So big. There we go. There is, okay, nothing else in the box, just the one piece of thing that fell out. Try and flop this all back over, right? That one, okay. There we go. So now, alright, well, here it is. Somebody cleaned in. So, yeah. It's a curious way of leaving the cord on. I literally taped it to the front of the radio with cellophane tape. Now I got to use my glue gun to get this stickum off of here. Okay, so here it is. Definitely something that needs to be polished and cleaned and all that. Now you're going to use that power cord, just chuck it over here. Alright. So now, let's see here. Uh-oh. Someone's been inside this already because I see wires up here in the slider area. That does move, but that's very rough. Yeah, this is a fixer-upper for somebody. Okay, well, power cord, see what happens. We got sound. That's going to need some serious cleaning. So, well. Wow. Does the tape player work? No, no sound from the tape player. I can hear the motor running. Well, that's a good sign. Alright, well. Well, there we are. It's all here. But it looks like someone, I don't have a thing to stick in there, but there's a little tick in there. Alright, so this is a definite fixer-upper. Alright. Oh well. Okay, well. Can't show you because I can't play it. See here. Back on radio. Volume. That rotates, but there's no signal. Well, there's a little blip of something. The VU meter. All right. It did jump. Yeah, they had it cranked all the way up. Okay. The motor's running, but it needs a new belt, so it's a flat belt, but I'm not going to get there. Alright, we'll just have to put this thing on the back burner. Okay, I've had too much fun here. I'm not going to try and diagnose this thing on the fly, but it does have a complete antenna, so there's the antenna. And let's look in the battery compartment just for giggles while we're here. Alright, so battery compartment is clean, relatively rust-free. I mean, it's actually got some dust, but no battery corrosion and no corroded battery stuff in there, so that's a good sign. So it just needs to be cleaned and serviced. Alright, so and there's no cracks. None here on the bottom. It's got some scrapes like normal usage stuff, but someone didn't. See, when the cassette deck door opened, yeah, the cassette deck door opens, you saw that, right? It opens, closes, great. So, just needs a lot of work. Okay, alright, well, that for the back burner. I'm going to shut you all down. No, wait, here. So here, just put it there. Okay, give me the camera, alright. Here's the camera. Oops, give me it off the doorknob. There you go. Alright, so now I'll just, yep. Alright, so 9 minutes. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye. Gotta go.